Yeah, what am I doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You know you have stuff on your chin, right? Can you climb over? Come here. Come here. Can you climb over? I bet you can. Are you looking at me? I see your chin. You are the most... Hi. Yeah. Ooh, that is actually decently bad. I'm sorry, bud. I'm sorry, girly. It's okay. I'm gonna call you Luna. That's it. Just you're Luna now. Hello. You're extremely lovey. Hi. So this little nerd came in with a bit of an injury, as you can see. They look very menacing, but they're so sweet. Hi. Hi. Oh, yeah. You look like you could take down a bobcat. You're a little Florida panther. Oh. A head buddy, little child. Oh, yeah. If you're seeing this, I do appreciate everybody stopping by and chilling out with us. This little nerd is one of the first ones. Hey! It's one of the first ones I'm fostering fully. This is just some dumb thing that I do almost every single day. Oh, yep. Your little fleece stuff is all dried up. You are so adorable for being a feral. You're so lovely for being a feral. Yeah. Such a good girl. Hi. Well, this is just something I do after stream. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Flop. You're a flopper. Already showing belly. What are you gonna do? And Cat is currently deciding to scratch walls today. Toot toot toot. You attacking your tail? Yeah. Hi. I distract you? Oh. Such a head butter. Such a small kitty. Oh. Did I find something? You do like that. Started purring even louder. I found a weak spot. Oh yeah, I found a weak spot. I do appreciate everybody stopping by and chilling out with us. I'm gonna post more of this type of stuff. And you're extremely early on eating dry food, Jesus. Hopefully that doesn't affect you. Such a good girl. But anyway, see ya.